Hey there, welcome back to PMN Online. Today I will walk you through how to activate voice mode in Grok. Let's dive right into the heart of the matter. Have you ever wanted to interact with Grok without lifting a finger, enjoying hands-free communication that feels as natural as talking to another person? By activating voice mode in Grok, you can achieve just that. Imagine being able to speak to Grok and have it respond to you quickly and reliably, freeing up your hands for other tasks. This tutorial will guide you step by step through the process, ensuring that by the end, you'll be set up and ready to engage with Grok using only your voice. First things first, you'll need to open your preferred web browser. Whether you prefer Chrome, Firefox, or Safari, make sure it's updated to the latest version. This will help ensure a seamless experience, especially when streaming audio. Once your browser is open, head over to Google. In the search bar, type Grok and look for the official Grok site in the search results. It's typically near the top, so keep an eye out for the official branding and domain to ensure you're headed to the correct page. Once you find it, click through to visit the Grok website. As the page loads, take a moment to ensure everything is displaying correctly. If you're already signed in, you'll be taken straight to the interface. If not, don't worry, you might just need to sign in first. After logging in, direct your attention to the left-hand panel. Here, you'll find an option labeled Voice. Click on Voice to access the voice interface. Note that on smaller screens, this panel may be hidden within a menu icon, so if you don't see Voice immediately, simply expand the menu to find it. Once you've clicked Voice, you might notice a brief connecting state. This is perfectly normal. Grok is setting up the audio session, getting everything ready for you to start speaking. At this point, your browser may prompt you for permission to use your microphone. It's crucial to allow this access. Otherwise, voice mode won't be able to start. If you have multiple audio input devices, like a webcam microphone and a headset, make sure to select the one you prefer in your browser or system sound settings for the best audio quality. It can also be beneficial to close any other applications that might be using your microphone to avoid conflicts. As Grok connects, look for indicators showing the status transitioning from connecting to ready. If it takes longer than expected, consider refreshing the page, checking your internet connection, or toggling the voice option off and back on. Keeping your browser up to date also helps prevent any permissions or device-related issues. When Grok shows that it's ready, you can start speaking naturally into your microphone. Grok will listen and respond to you. To confirm that it's picking up your voice, look for visual cues like a waveform or a listening indicator. Some interfaces even let you choose a voice or personality after enabling the microphone, so feel free to select one that you like. For the best results, speak clearly, keep the microphone at a comfortable distance from your mouth, and try to minimize any background noise. If you notice the response is not quite right, try a simple test prompt to make sure your audio is coming through clearly. And there you have it. You've successfully navigated to Google, found Grok, accessed the site, clicked on Voice in the left panel, waited for it to connect, and started talking. Enjoy the seamless experience of using Grok in voice mode, making your interactions more efficient and enjoyable. Hopefully, you now have a better understanding of how to activate voice mode in Grok. For more step-by-step tutorials and guides, subscribe PMN Online so you never miss an update.